Okay, hi everyone. Okay, yesterday we learned about the different time zone in the world. Okay, if you forget everything that I taught you, you just have to remember if the country is nearer to the east, okay, negara yang dekat dengan paling dekat timur, iaitu New Zealand, Australia, Japan. Okay, masa mereka akan lebih awal, mereka akan lebih di depan. Okay, sebab matahari, okay, the sun rises in the east. Okay, matahari akan terbit di timur. So mereka akan masa mereka akan lebih awal di depan daripada negara di lain. So if the country is to the west, negara yang dekat, yang terletak di barat, semakin barat, masa dia pun makin lewat daripada negara di timur. Okay, the more it is to the west, the country is located, the later it is the time. Okay, let's look at some videos to make you understand better.
Why do we have different time zones? Because we have different watches. Nah, our Earth rotates on its own axis. Due to this rotation, different parts of the Earth receive different amounts of sunlight, thus causing morning, noon, evening, and night.
Okay, so if you look at this part over here,
different amounts of sunlight, thus causing morning, noon, evening, and...
Okay, because of the sun, matahari, bila dia terbit, katakan di sebelah sini, kiri sini, so this part here will be noon, tengah hari. While the other part of the earth will be at night because there's no sunlight. So negara yang terletak di sini dia akan mengalami pagi lah, tengah hari. Manakala negara di sebelah sini yang tidak terkena cahaya matahari dia akan berada di waktu malam.
Night. Now, if we had one time zone, then 12 p.m. would be noon at some places, but it would be night or evening at other places, which would...
Okay, kalau kita buat satu time zone saja, sini pukul 12 tengah hari, ada matahari, biasalah kan? Tapi negara di sebelah sana, dia 12 tengah hari juga, tapi waktu dia malam. Dia tak ada cahaya matahari. So, dia sangat tidak sesuai. Okay? So that's why we need to have different time zone so that the time here 12 p.m. we have sunlight. The other time here when there's no sunlight it should be at night. It should not follow the same time.
Would be inconvenient. Hence, scientists made different time zones according to the Earth's rotation with respect to the sun. But how? The Earth makes one full 360-degree rotation in 24 hours. This means in 1 hour, the Earth moves by 15 degrees. Using this information, scientists divided the planet into 24 sections or time zones. Each section or region was about 15 degrees wide and had a specific standard time. This helped us know the proper time of the day in that part of the Earth. Hold on, guys. Can you?
Okay. So our planet here is divided into different time zone. Okay, semua ni barisan ini dia adalah time zone, zone waktu yang berlainan. Okay, so Paris pukul 2 petang, USA dia akan 8 pagi, India 5:30 petang dan sebagainya. Sebab dia terkena cahaya matahari pada waktu yang berlainan. Okay, so back to our photo here. So when it comes to, okay, let's say New Year, Tahun Baru, 1 January. So negara mana yang akan meraihkan Tahun Baru dulu pada 1 January adalah negara yang paling timur. Okay, negara yang paling timur. Okay, New Zealand, Australia, Japan, lepas tu baru Malaysia. Okay, dia akan mula dari sini. Okay, negara di sebelah sini akan mengalami, akan meraihkan dulu tahun baru, lepas tu bergerak ke arah barat. So yang timur dahulu, baru barat. So Japan, lepas tu Malaysia, lepas tu okay, negara di Iran, Turkey, India, Lepas tu Eropah, okay, London, Portugal, lepas tu baru bergerak ke South America, Brazil, USA dan sebagainya. Alright, let's look at another video.
They are! Actually, it might even be midnight now. You see, the Earth has different times in different areas, called time zones. That means that each country celebrates the coming year at different times, all around the world.
That's interesting. Who celebrates first?
There are several small islands that celebrate first, including a place called Tonga and New Zealand. Australia's next. And then the new year moves across the world going west. Following are countries like Japan and China. And then it's time for places like Nepal and India to celebrate.
And it goes like that around the whole planet?
That's right! After those countries welcome 2018, the new year will come to Europe, moving through Russia and Greece to France and the United Kingdom. Next, it's time for places like Brazil and Argentina to ring in the new year. Then the US, Canada, and Mexico get to...
Okay, so dia tengah cerita tentang turutan. Okay, negara mana yang merayakan tahun baru dulu. So the country to the east will celebrate first. That is the country of Tonga, New Zealand, Australia. Okay, New Zealand, Australia dulu. And then China, Japan, and then Malaysia. India, Nepal, Russia, Greece, UK, France, Brazil, Argentina, USA, Mexico, Canada. So awak nampak dia bergerak dari negara timur ke negara yang barat. So you start from the countries in the east first, and then it moves towards the country in the west.
To celebrate. The last place to reach the new year are some small islands in the Pacific Ocean called the Baker Islands.
So, my friend might be in 2017 or 2018? That's like time travel.
Not exactly. The Earth is round, so the sun hits different parts as the Earth spins, marking the time of day.
I guess when I talk to my buddy, I'll have...
Alright. So, okay, if we look at this image over here, so this is using London time. This is when the world will welcome 2020. Okay, so the first country to reach 1st of January, negara pertama yang meraihkan tahun baru ialah Samoa, Christmas Island, New Zealand, Australia. Maksudnya New Zealand akan menjadi antara negara yang pertama untuk meraihkan tahun baru. Okay, waktu sana akan mencapai 1 Januari dahulu. Lepas tu baru Australia, Japan, China, Singapore, Malaysia, and then Nepal, India, okay, Turkey, and then Eropah, right? Germany, France, Italy, UK, Ireland, and then South America, Brazil, Paraguay, Canada, US, Alaska, Hawaii, dan terakhir Baker Island seperti yang kartun tadi tunjukkan. Okay, boleh faham ya? Alright. Okay, now we look at the next example. Alright, let's say the clock tower in Auckland. Okay, Auckland is in New Zealand. Ini berada di negara New Zealand. Is 4 hours ahead. Maksudnya dia 4 jam lebih awal daripada waktu di Fraser's Hill. Fraser's Hill di mana? Di Malaysia lah. So New Zealand is 4 hours ahead of Malaysia. Okay, dia 4 jam lebih awal daripada Malaysia. So what is the time in Auckland if it is 10:15 in Fraser's Hill? So Malaysia sekarang 10:15 pagi. So New Zealand pukul berapa? Okay, dia 4 jam lebih awal. So kita tambah ke tolak? Kita perlu tambah. Okay, kita tambah 4 jam. So 10:15, you add 4 hours in front, it becomes 14:15. Okay, ini jadi sistem 24 jam. So awak tolak 12 jam, tukar kepada sistem 12 jam, dia adalah 2:15. So the time is 2:15 PM. Okay, 2:15 p.m. So you look here, 1 hour plus 1 hour is 11:15, plus 1 hour 12:15, plus 1 hour 1:15, plus 1 hour 2:15. So waktu Malaysia 10:15 pagi, tapi waktu New Zealand sekarang 2:15 petang. So waktu mereka lebih laju, dia berada di depan, kita berada di belakang. Sebab zon waktu yang berlainan. Okay, New Zealand dia paling awal sebab dia di paling timur sekali. Okay, look here. Auckland is a city in New Zealand, which is also known as the Yak City. The city received the most sunshine with the annual total sunshine of 2060 hours. Okay. So the time in Auckland is 2:15 p.m. Ini ialah sistem 12 jam ataupun sistem 24 jam, 15 hours. Okay, one more example. Argentina is located to the west of Malaysia. Okay, ini kata kunci dia west. Sebab awak kena tahu, timur, negara di timur dia lebih awal. Lepas tu negara di barat dia lebih lewat. So kalau dia kata Argentina located to the west, maksudnya Argentina dekat barat. Okay, Argentina dekat sini barat, Malaysia dekat timur. The time difference between the two countries is 13 hours. Okay, so masa waktu berlainan ialah 13 jam. Determine the time and day in Argentina if the time in Malaysia is 9:40 AM on Thursday. So ini waktu Malaysia sekarang 9:40 pagi hari Khamis. So kita kena tolak 13 jam. Sebab Argentina dia lebih lewat daripada Malaysia, so kita tolak 13 jam. Okay, tengok ya. So 9:40 pagi tolak 1 ialah 8:40 pagi ya. 1 hour. Tolak 2, tolak 3, tolak 4, tolak 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Kita tolak 13 jam. Okay, we minus 13 hours. Okay, you can draw a line like this and then you can count back, right? 9:40 minus 1 hour is 8:40, minus another hour 7:40, 6:40, 5:40, okay, minus the hours. Okay, sini 12:40 pagi Khamis, tolak 1 jam lagi, dia jadi sehari sebelumnya, Rabu, nampak? So dia jadi 11:40 malam, hari Rabu. Okay, sebab hari yang baru bermula pada 12:30 malam. So tolak lagi 3 jam, 1, 2, 3. So waktu di Argentina ialah Rabu 8:40 malam. Okay, nampak? Dia lebih lambat. Dia lebih lambat daripada Malaysia. Malaysia sudah hari Khamis, nampak? Malaysia sudah sampai hari Khamis 9:40 pagi. Argentina Rabu lagi, malam Rabu lagi. Dia lebih lambat. Itu dia. So ini Malaysia lebih awal lah daripada banyak negara yang lain. Okay. So, alright. So there are still 3 exercises you need to do. Okay. Look at these 3 exercises here. Soalan 4, 5 dan 6. Okay. Please do this as your homework. Sila buat kerja rumah ini. Soalan 4, 5 dan 6. Dan kita akan bincang soal kerja ini dalam video yang seterusnya. Alright, okay, this is still looking for starting time, ending time, duration. And this one is world time zone. Okay, number 5, number 6 is about world time zone. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.